Hello my friends, this video is actually similar to the one I did the other day where I showed you how to break even in 100 days. Now, some people are asking me what is house money. If you're asking me the meaning of house money, it means you are brand new to this space. Okay? Because house money is the money that we get after we have broken even. For every single platform that we are involved in, we are meant to know when we are going to break even. And then once we break even, we will have what is called house money. It means your original deposit is no longer at risk. Okay, that is what house money means. So for you to play with house money and pop max, you need to have stayed in pop max with one single deposit for up to 100 days. Once you have completed your 100 days and pop max for each of the deposits that you have made, then you would have broken even, and then after you can play with house money. If you want to compound your profit, you can compound your profit, or you can compound your house money. If you don't want to do that, say you want to use another strategy, I call it 50-50 strategy, you can also use that 50-50 strategy whereby you will withdraw your house money and then split it into two, okay, and then put back half of it and take half of it. That is 50-50 strategy. But let me show you this spreadsheet that I have prepared just to give you an indication of how many days that you can break even. Okay, so if you take a look at this screen now, you will notice that I said expected earnings from PopMax. Okay, so based on this, there is no referral that is required for you to earn what you are looking at right now on the screen. Okay, but the disclaimer here is what I'm showing you is an illustration. It does not guarantee any results. After all, individual results varies according to your contribution and effort. For example, somebody that deposited $100 earning daily 1% is not the same thing as somebody that deposited $1,000 earning 1% on a daily basis. So individual result varies. That's what that means. Okay. Now, let's break it down. If you join this platform, PopMax, and you really want to earn this 1% daily, you will have to choose the contract of 360 days staking. That is the only time this particular spreadsheet that you are looking at applies. If you are choosing any other day that is not on this spreadsheet, then this spreadsheet does not apply. Okay, this only applies for people that are choosing the 360 days staking contract, and that is the contract term that I recommend because it is the highest contract that you will earn daily 1%. The rest ones started from 0.4 up to 1%. So if you want to earn more, just go for the 360 days. That's the one I recommend. So for you to be able to make profit and get to that point of playing with house money, according to this video, you need to have staked your money for up to 100 days. As you can see from this spreadsheet, this column L is telling you right away when you are going to break even. So no matter how much money you have deposited, you are going to break even when you reach 100 days. Now 100 days, if you want to convert that to months, that will be 3 months will be 90 days, and then 10 days more, that will make it 100 days. So 3 months and 10 days will make you break even in PopMax for that particular deposit that you have made. Now remember also that people can make multiple deposits into their PopMax account. But remember that each deposit that you have made, that starts its own 360 days. However, everything combines together to give you the total amount of what you have staked. Okay, so for somebody that started with $100, because $100 is the minimum to start in PopMax anyway, you will be earning $1 per day, because 1% of $100 is $1. Okay, so if you multiply that by 100 days, that will give you $100. So if you start today, in the next 3 months and 10 days, you would have earned back the $100 that you used to start. At that point, you have broken even. You can withdraw your $100. When you withdraw your $100, whatever profit you are going to make going forward will be house money. We call it house money. So at that point, you can do whatever you want to do with that house money. You can play with it. You can say, okay, I don't want to put back everything. I want to put only 50% of my profit, and then I want to withdraw 50% of my profit. That is fine. Okay. If you want to do 70-30, that is also fine. If you want to do 90-10, that is fine. If you want to do 80-20, that is fine. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. If you also want to do 100% compounding, okay, to reinvest your total 100% money after you break even, that is fine. The only thing that I recommend for everybody that is in my team, I don't know about any other team, I am speaking from experience. Once you break even at your 100 days, withdraw that money and take it back to where you brought it from. If you had brought that money from your savings account, which I recommend you should be doing anyway, do not borrow money to invest in any platform. Go back to that place and put back the $100. Okay? So therefore, when you see other opportunities, you will also be able to have that same savings to invest in other opportunities instead of you putting everything in PopMax. Okay, and risking everything. Remember, when you put in your money from day one, your risk is very high. And then as you progress to your 100 days, your risk will reduce. So by the time you get to 100 days, your risk will be zero, because it means you have made back your original deposit 100%, and then you can take back that deposit. And then whatever that is left there, it is your house money that will be generating and making more profit for you, right? And the capital deposit column here started from 100 up to 10,000. As you can see from here, this is 10,000. Okay, this is just an illustration. You can put more than 10,000 if you want. I have seen people, depositing 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 into PopMax. It's entirely up to you. What is your risk threshold? It's your call. Okay. But for somebody that has deposited $10,000, the person will be receiving $100 profit on a daily basis. And by the time the person will complete 100 days, the person would have made $10,000 back and take back that $10,000 and then leave the other one that is called house money for it to work for you, right? And continue to print your money for you. That is it. It's easy. It's not rocket science at all. And these are the people that have just recently deposited a lot of money. As you can see, this person has just deposited $7,425, and this person has deposited $5,885. These are huge amount of money that people are putting in PopMax. Why? Because it's only 100 days, which is 3 months and 10 days before they will break even, make back this money, and then withdraw the money if they wish to do so. But I recommend they should do that anyway. Okay? And remember also that your capital is given back to you. So even though they have deposited 7,425, or the one that deposited 5,885, this money that they deposited will be given back to them when they complete their contract term. Okay, let's say they choose the 360 days contract term. This money will be given back to them. Their original deposits will be given back to them when they complete it, plus their profit. So it's a win-win game. in pop max, to be honest. Okay, now don't be scared with all of these huge amount of money that people are depositing. This is because this is what they can risk. This is within their risk threshold. So your risk threshold is different from my risk threshold. Okay, this is what they can afford to put in PopMax. Otherwise, PopMax is recommending that we should start with $100 in USDT BEP20. Okay, and then we should get also $10 worth of BNB Smart Chain for gas or transaction fee. And as you can see from this screenshot I took, this Trust Wallet, decentralized wallet, is what I am recommending for people to use. Okay, so you can use either Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, or SafePower Wallet to get started with PopMax. And you need to have this money already in your Trust Wallet before you will make attempt to start registering with the link below this video description, guys. So the platform is doing really well. So far, so good. Everybody is happy. Withdrawals are happening very fast. Within 2 minutes, you will get your withdrawal when you hit the withdrawal button to withdraw your profit. It doesn't involve any middleman at all. That is the good thing about this platform. It is blockchain, decentralized Web3 platform. So there is no middleman. There is nobody to say, okay, I clicked on the withdrawal button, I enter the amount I want to withdraw, and then I click confirm, and then that confirmation button is going to wait for somebody to go and review it manually before the person will not click to release it. No, you don't have that in PopMax because it is in the blockchain. So it doesn't need anybody to approve that. The blockchain will automatically approve that. It goes through the BNB Smart Chain network, and then once it confirms 1 or 2 blockchain confirmation, you will see the money right on your Trust Wallet if it is Trust Wallet that you are using. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. I just want to let you know that PopMax is working fine and the withdrawals are working, deposit is working, everything is going smoothly as at when I'm recording this video. And this video also explain what house money is and how to reach this house money, which is usually after 100 days if you choose the 360 days contract. Okay, so to join this platform, as I said, you need 100 USDT and $10 worth of BNB to get started. The instructions on how to start is below this video description. Actually, I have stated out the steps from step 1 to the last step. If you follow the instructions below this video description, you should be able to sign up. I have also done a video showing you how to register in PopMax. However, if you are still struggling to register even after watching my video or following the steps, contact me on Telegram, contact me on WhatsApp, or even on Facebook Messenger, and I will be able to assist you to get you started. The platform is good. Nothing is wrong with it. You get your initial deposit back. So why not try it? Why not give it a try? Right? So guys, thank you very much. I will see you in my next PopMax video.